Hello, my name's Michael Kurtz and I run a company called Design from Scratch Concepts. I wanted to do this brief webinar just to talk about some ideas on how to get your message out there and hopefully keep your business running. Another tool that we should talk about is email. If you don't already have one, it's time to get a CRM and start sending out campaigns. If you're worried about how this looks with your budget, there's plenty of them out there that are free. What you'll want to do with these email campaigns is send out bi-monthly reminders of anything that's going on with your business, whether it's discounts, coupons, announcements, or anything else that you think would make a great experience. Remember when I said earlier that we have to constantly remind people that we're there? This is a great way to do it. Don't worry that you're spamming people. You're not. What you're doing is you're placing your company name in their inbox so that you can stay fresh in their mind, even if they don't open the email. However, a really well-written introduction line just might spur enough curiosity that they do. These email campaigns are going to be a very powerful tool to stay in contact with not only your current customers, but also your former ones. Once we've created our new experience, this email campaign will be a direct line to our customers. It's going to let them know that we have these new experiences and help drum up interest in them. If you have any questions, please go to my website and reach out to me, designedfromscratchconcepts.com. Thank you, be safe, and good luck.